Hello, Jarvis.
Hello sir, what can I do for you?
What's the time?
The current time is 1 hour 10 minutes and 8 seconds.
What's the date?
Today's date is 2/6/2020.
Search Wikipedia about Python.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant wiki space.
Tell me a joke.
There are 10 types of people, those who understand hexadecimal and 15 others.
Remember that.
What do you want me to remember, sir?
You're not good at telling jokes.
You told me to remember that you are not good at telling jokes. I remember that now. Do you want me to remember something new, sir?
No.